As the new year unfolds, the prospect of growing your own food becomes an exciting and rewarding endeavor. January marks the beginning of a journey into the world of gardening, and with thoughtful planning, you can start cultivating crops that will flourish in the coming months. We'll explore 10 easy-to-grow crops that are perfect for sowing in January, setting the stage for a bountiful harvest in the spring and beyond. Lettuce, crisp and quick greens. Lettuce is a cool season crop that thrives in the early months of the year. Sow lettuce seeds indoors in January and transplant them into your garden as the weather warms. With a variety of types to choose from, you can enjoy a continuous harvest of fresh, crisp greens. Growing tip: provide well-draining soil and ample sunlight for optimal growth. Radishes, rapid and reliable root vegetables. Radishes are known for their speedy growth, making them a perfect choice for January planting. These root vegetables add a burst of color and peppery flavor to salads. Sow radish seeds directly into the soil for a quick turnaround. Growing tip: ensure consistent watering to prevent radishes from becoming overly spicy. Carrots, sweet rewards underground. Carrots are a versatile and nutritious addition to any garden. Start carrot seeds indoors in January and transplant them into your garden or sow directly into well-prepared soil. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with sweet and crunchy carrots. Growing tip: choose a carrot variety suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Spinach, nutrient-rich leafy greens. Spinach is a nutrient-packed leafy green that thrives in cooler temperatures. Start spinach seeds indoors and transplant them into your garden in January. With regular harvesting, you can enjoy a continuous supply of vitamin-rich spinach leaves. Growing tip: harvest outer leaves to encourage continuous growth. Peas, climbing vines of sweetness. Peas are a delightful addition to any garden, and January is the perfect time to start growing them. Plant pea seeds directly into the soil or containers, providing support for climbing varieties. The sweet pods are a tasty treat straight from the garden. Growing tip: use trellises or stakes to support pea plants as they grow. Kale, hardy and nutrient-dense. Kale is a hardy and nutrient-dense green that can withstand cooler temperatures. Start kale seeds indoors in January and transplant them into your garden or containers. Kale is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Growing tip: harvest young leaves for a tender and milder flavor. Broccoli, versatile and nutrient-rich. Broccoli is a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable that thrives in cool weather. Begin growing broccoli from seeds indoors in January and transplant them into your garden once they are well established. With proper care, you'll enjoy homegrown broccoli heads. Growing tip: provide consistent moisture and fertilize as needed for optimal growth. Cilantro, flavorful herb for every dish. Cilantro, a popular herb in many cuisines, is well suited for January planting. Sow cilantro seeds directly into the soil or containers. This aromatic herb adds a burst of flavor to a variety of dishes. Growing tip: successively sow cilantro seeds every few weeks for a continuous harvest. Chives, easy to grow, a Liam delight. Chives are a member of the onion family and are incredibly easy to grow. Start chive seeds indoors in January or sow them directly into well-drained soil. These versatile herbs add a mild onion flavor to your culinary creations. Growing tip: trim chives regularly to encourage bushier growth. Arugula, peppery greens for zestful salads. Arugula, with its peppery and slightly bitter flavor, is a fantastic addition to salads. Start arugula seeds indoors in January and transplant them as they grow. This fast-growing green is ready for harvest in just a few weeks. Growing tip: sow arugula seeds in succession for a continuous supply throughout the season. Embarking on the journey of growing your own food in January sets the stage for a year of gardening success. These 10 easy-to-grow crops offer a diverse range of flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, cultivating these crops will not only provide you with a sense of accomplishment, but also reward you with a steady supply of fresh, homegrown produce. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and sow the seeds of abundance this January for a harvest that will enrich your meals and nourish your soul throughout the year.